In this post-COVID-19 world, remote learning and online education has become the new norm, as schools, colleges and universities have all been forced to roll out virtual classes and set online assignments almost overnight. These establishments have become wholly reliant on their digital infrastructure as the sole platform for educating students and preparing them for their exams. This has placed massive strains in their IT and connectivity infrastructures as their computing resource demands have rocketed. Students expect their systems to be up and running all the time with fast response time and uninterrupted connections. Same for teachers delivering virtual lessons and online assignments. Connectivity and security of the online teaching is critical. Education institutions are under pressure to continue bettering their online security, uptime performance and efficiency ratings, creating fast challenges for IT professionals. Well, we believe that edge computing is the way forward for education. It has become a key enabler for digital learning. Edge computing solutions can create opportunities for new, sustainable, secure and high-performing systems for educational sites. Our EcoStruxure micro data centers feature rapid deployment for large and geographically dispersed educational campuses, offering high-performance connectivity, secure data storage and physical protection from human error. In addition, when people's learning is at risk, IoT and edge solutions can help mitigate loss of power, ensuring uptime. Our APC Smart Up's uninterruptible power supplies guarantees reliable and immediate backup power to ensure digital education can continue uninterrupted. With Schneider Electric's EcoStruxure IT software and digital services, IT solutions provider can remotely monitor and manage their customers' distributed IT and critical power systems to minimize downtime, offering continuous monitoring for a digitally connected experience. In conclusion, the exponential growth in edge computing presents an enormous opportunity for you to grow your business in the education sector. By partnering with Schneider Electric, we are committed to helping you to establish your presence and grow your business, not just in this sector, but in new ones in general.